Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see class ninth subject English 4.3 silver. In it we are going to solve the margin questions and English workshop. Let's start. First margin question. Why does everything appear silver in the poem? Answer. Everything appears silver in the poem because of the silver moonlight. Second question. Which of the objects, animals, etc. in the poem are at rest without any motion? Answer. The fruits, trees, casements, thatch, kennel, dog, goat, does, fish, reeds, and the stream are the objects, animals, etc. in the poem that are at rest without any movement. Third question. Only two things are shown to move in the poem, which are the moon and the mouse are only two things that are the moving objects in the poem. Now we are moving towards English workshop. First question in English workshop. If you are asked to draw a detailed picture of the scene described in the poem, what object, animals, natural features, etc. will you show in the picture? Make a list. If I was asked to draw a detailed picture of the scene described in the poems, I would like to use the objects: deer, buffalo, ox, tiger, elephant. In natural features, mountains, hills, rivers, lakes, small ponds, huts and cottages, etc. Second question. Write the rhyming words and the rhyme scheme of the poem. First of all, we'll write the rhyming words in the poem, and the rhyming words in the poem are moon, shun, seas, trees, catch, thatch, log, dog, peep, sleep, by, eye, gleam, and stream. Now we'll write rhyme scheme of the poem. In this poem, the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A B B. The rhyme scheme of second stanza A B, and the rhyme scheme of the third stanza is A B C C. Third question. Underline the word silver or silvery in the poem. In which lines does it occur? What patterns does it show? So first of all, we have to underline the word silver or silvery. It is there in the poem. The word silver is there in second line, as in fourth line also. Word silvery appears in sixth line. The word silver is again appeared into eighth line, then in 10th line, 12th line, and in last in the 14th line. So the question is, what pattern does it show? The word silver or silvery is used in even numbered lines and not in the odd numbered lines in the entire poem. It adds uniformity and rhythm to the poem. Fourth question. Can you think of a parallel scene of dawn or evening when everything is steeped in golden light? Answer. Yeah, I can think of parallel scene evening when everything is steeped in golden light. It is there in the evening. The sun sinks below the horizon to set. As it goes lower and lower, its dark orange crimson rays spread across the sky and the surroundings steep in gold light. It brings an awesome scenery to view. Fifth question. The same landscape appears different at different times. What message can we draw from this? The same landscape appears different and different times. We can draw a message from this is a person or an object can have multiple characteristics that reveal in different situations. Perception of the same thing may vary from person to person. A very nice and very rich in its visual imagery. The poem Silver, written by the poet Walter de la Mare. We must have a glimpse on the poem. So I would like to read the poem for you. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon, this way and that. She peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one, the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. From their shadowy coat, the white breasts peep of does in silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eye, and moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. Here we have successfully completed the margin questions and English workshop of the poem Silver. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, share among your friends, and lastly, thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.